Drugs are chemicals that affect the body and brain. Different drugs can have different effects. Some effects of drugs include health consequences that are long-lasting and permanent. They can even continue after a person has stopped taking the substance. There are a few ways a person can take drugs, including injection, inhalation, and ingestion. The effect of the drug on the body can depend on how the drug is delivered. You wouldn't wish to take a drug and end up being an addict. It starts fun and that's how it develops. You may try out cigarettes, inhalants, and alcohol just to feel relaxed or for curiosity. The person begins to use the drug regularly without knowing where it could lead them. You may start creating opportunities to use the drug. This may result in conflicts with people closer to you. It reaches a point where you're finding it difficult to carry out your regular daily responsibilities without the influence of the substance. At this stage, you may experience several health changes such as loss of weight, gum disease, and other problems. A person may lose interest in self-hygiene and even lose family and friends. Substance dependence turns out to be a chronic disease which can only be controlled by a professional. You should listen to your gut feelings, and if they say no, please do it with your mouth and walk the talk. Additionally, you should prepare for such high-pressure situations by imagining how you would handle a peer pressure situation or how you would assist a friend. Choose the right people to hang with. The right people are those that share your feelings about drugs and other things. People going through emotional distress are susceptible to drugs abuse if they lack the right coping skills. There might be events or experiences in the past that affect your feelings and make you feel stressed. If you feel that you have paranoia, depression, anxiety, or other mental problems, you should seek social communities or spiritual organizations that can help eliminate the negative emotions and behaviors in a healthy life-affirming manner. The problem with using drugs with mental disorders is that they only make your problem worsen. With the busy and stressing world we're living in, people feel like getting a reward at the end of the day is a good thing to do. Well, having a reward for a day well spent is not a problem. Rewarding yourself with a drug is. Drugs only make life more stressful, but most people come to realize this when it has turned sour. To prevent using drugs as a reward, you need to discover new ways to handle stress and relax your mind and body. You can read a book, take up exercising, help the needy, or do something productive. Doing these things will relax your mind and eliminate the feelings of drug use to relieve stress. You must want to move forward and leave your addiction behind. It must be a commitment from you and you alone. Alcohol strongly influences men and women to engage in risky activities while under the influence. Alcohol leads the drinker into a state of higher confidence and lower inhibition, leading them to make a riskier choices. Anyone at any age can be at risk of catching a disease due to the lack of conscious decisions while under the influence of alcohol. Make sure if you do choose to drink alcohol, you know your limits, drink in moderation, and drink plenty of water or non-alcoholic drinks in between. Planning how many alcoholic drinks you will intake over time, accompanied by food and water, will help you stay in control for the rest of the night. Alcohol can ruin your night and the next day after trying to remember all the decisions it helped influence. Unfortunately, alcohol can cause some serious life-altering consequences you might not be able to take back or get over the next day. It can hard to seek the help you need and know what a difference it can make it in your life with care and compassion. Your addiction to drugs and alcohol may lead you to have STDs. Many studies have confirmed there can be a correlation between alcohol and STDs, or sexually transmitted diseases. As the name suggests, STDs are infectious diseases that can be transmitted through sexual contact. STDs are commonly referred to as STIs, or sexually transmitted infections. Being exposed to an STD can be life-changing. Agree to only have sex with one person who agrees to only have sex with you. Make sure you both get tested to know for sure that neither of you has an STD. This is one of the most reliable ways to avoid STDs. Some STDs you can be exposed to from the influence of alcohol can be cured. However, many STDs are not curable and can stay with you throughout the rest of your life, but STDs can be prevented. Don't let one drunken night alter the course of your life. Be smart and know your limits. It might be uncomfortable to start the conversation, but protecting your health is your responsibility.